everyone. So today I'm back with arm balancing. So I know yesterday lots of you have poured in the messages saying that why don't we have a sequence of arm balancing. So today what I'm teaching is simple, very simple, how to get into bird pose. Right? So let's begin. I would like to, even if I have not done any practice, I would still like to get into downward dog before I get into bird pose. That's what I would preferably do. And what is downward dog? This is Adho Mukha Svanasana. Stay here for 10 to 20 counts. And once you are done, you feel that yes, you are warmed up, you're feeling good. That's the time you drop your knees. And then we get into Hindi squat. Sit into Hindi squat and bring your elbows against your inner thighs. Keep pushing your knees firmly outside and press both the palms. Keep the spine straight here. Right? Press your palms, stretch your arms here. Now listen very carefully. You need to press your palms firmly. Pressing your fingertips, especially the index finger and the thumb, press it firmly down here. And now engage your whole palm from your wrist, from your fingers to your wrist, to your elbow, till your shoulders and to your shoulder blades. Roll your shoulder blades back and down and let's begin. Lift your heels higher. Now is the time. Pull your belly in, scoop up and shift your body weight forward. Hold on here. Keep breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and release it. Before we get into bird pose, practice this 4 to 5 times. And then once you feel you're ready, that's the time we will go once again. Lift your heels. Shift your body weight, feeling the weight evenly on both the legs. Lift your right leg. You feel your knee is on your upper arm. It should not land somewhere here where you can skid and go down, right? So keep up, or you can even place your knees on your armpit and then shift your body weight. Lift your one leg, hold for 5 counts, release it, then the other leg and then release it. Take a break for 10-20 counts and then we will progress. So let's progress from here. Press your palms. Lift your heels, shift your body weight, keep shifting your body weight. See how far can you go. Then you lift your right leg, hold it. When you feel you're comfortable, keep looking front and you lift both the legs and then release it down. Wow, we got it, isn't it? Was that easy? Yeah, it's not that difficult as much as we thought, right? Take a break of 10-20 counts and then try once again. If you have been doing this and you want to progress from here, let's do it. So, let's come to standing. Keep your feet hip width apart. Keep lifting through your sit bones here. It's like they are going towards the ceiling. I'm lengthening through the spine. Keep lengthening. This is my way. I enjoy getting into higher crow pose from here. Press your palms firmly down. Now you know the technicalities, right? You're feeling the weight on both the palms. You're pulling your belly in. You're keeping your spine straight. You're looking front. And I lift my heels as much as I can. Shift my body weight onto my forearm or upper arm or armpit. And look front, lift one leg. When you're ready, lift both the legs and hold. Keep breathing. And release it. Was that doable? Yes. Should we try once again? Why not? So, let's get standing. Keep lengthening. How far can you create that length? Press your palms. Pull your belly in. Lift up. Shift your body weight onto your upper arms. And when you're ready, lift one leg and then the other leg. Hold. Keep breathing. Stay focused. This is all about upper body strength, core strength and focus as well. Release. Great. shake your arms and get into child pose. Take a break. Hooray! Wasn't that easy? Great! I'm sure you're going to practice this. Don't injure, be careful. Spread your mat full length. Yes, and stay at the back so that even if you fall, be careful. Stay aware of your body, and I'm sure you will never injure yourself. But guys, you need to take care when you're practicing arm balances. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you're enjoying my YouTube channel, do subscribe for more update, the regular update, and like this video. Thank you so much. Till I see you next week. Next day rather, tomorrow. Thank you. Bye-bye.